Are you still using an old manual toothbrush? It's time to upgrade your oral care routine. Today, we're revealing the top 5 electric toothbrushes that will transform your smile. These advanced devices offer professional cleaning at home, removing more plaque and improving gum health. Number 5. Starting at number 5, we have the ultimate travel companion for your oral care needs. This portable electric toothbrush comes with a premium leak-proof travel case, making it perfect for business trips, vacations, and daily commuting. The compact design delivers effective cleaning wherever you go, with multiple brush heads included for extended trips. The USB rechargeable battery ensures you won't need to carry extra chargers while traveling. The leak-proof case protects your toothbrush from moisture and keeps your luggage clean. Its lightweight construction makes packing easy without adding bulk. The design is both functional and sleek, fitting perfectly in any toiletry bag. Whether you're a frequent traveler or want a reliable backup brush, this portable solution keeps your smile bright on the go. For those interested in this travel-ready toothbrush, you'll find the link in the description and comments section below. Number 4. At number 4, we're featuring a versatile tooth cleaning system with 5 different cleaning settings. Whether you need gentle care for sensitive teeth or intensive cleaning for stubborn stains, there's a mode for you. It comes with 3 replacement heads, ensuring long-term value and consistent performance. The USB rechargeable design makes it convenient for home use, outdoor activities, and camping trips. No need to worry about finding batteries or electrical outlets. Each cleaning mode targets different oral health concerns, from whitening to gum massage. The ergonomic handle design ensures comfortable grip during use, reducing hand fatigue. This comprehensive kit is perfect for families or individuals wanting professional-level care at home. The device's durability makes it a smart investment in your dental health. If you want to upgrade your oral hygiene routine, check the description and comments for the link to this amazing product. Number 3. Coming in at number 3 is a sophisticated electric toothbrush combining technology with dental science. This rechargeable toothbrush features 5 specialized cleaning modes: sensitive, deep clean, gum care, whitening, and massage. The smart timer ensures you brush for the dentist recommended 2 minutes with interval signaling when to switch mouth quadrants. The brush uses 450 soft nylon bristles that gently but effectively remove plaque. These bristles are gentle for sensitive gums while providing thorough cleaning. The included protective case keeps your brush hygienic and travel-friendly. The rechargeable battery offers weeks of use on a single charge. The waterproof design allows safe shower use and easy cleaning underwater. The ergonomic grip provides comfortable control during brushing sessions. To get this advanced cleaning solution, you'll find the purchase link in the description and comments below. Number 2. Our number 2 pick is a powerhouse designed for professional-level cleaning at home. This vibrating electric toothbrush comes with 8 brush heads, giving you incredible value for months of use. The set includes 2 different brush head types for customized cleaning experiences. The deep clean technology penetrates between teeth and along the gum line, removing plaque that manual brushing misses. What sets this apart is its revolutionary fast charge feature, reaching full power in just 2 minutes when you need it. The powerful motor delivers consistent vibrations that break up stubborn deposits without damaging enamel. The sleek black design looks modern in any bathroom setting. The comfortable grip reduces hand strain during your brushing routine. This toothbrush is perfect for those with braces or anyone wanting the cleanest possible teeth. For those ready to invest in superior oral care, the link is waiting in the description and comments section. Number 1. Finally, our number 1 electric toothbrush delivers everything you need for exceptional oral care. This premium set features IPX8 waterproof rating for worry-free shower use. The acoustic technology provides superior cleaning while being remarkably quiet for early morning or late night brushing. The USB rechargeable system works with any standard USB port, making charging convenient everywhere. This set includes 10 replacement toothbrush heads, providing incredible year-long value. The metal shaft construction ensures lasting durability, available in 5 attractive colors to match your bathroom or personal style. The intelligent timer with built-in intervals ensures optimal cleaning. Both the toothbrush base and portable case are included for home and travel. The couple design allows you and your partner to share the charging base. Perfect for both men and women as a gift or personal upgrade. Check the description and comments for the link to this top-rated electric toothbrush. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please like our videos, share them on social media, and leave your comments below. See you in the next video.